Yeah, I mean, I think that's like the beauty of the sport. You're often doing a lot of runs that you don't really see end product on, and I think tonight it was just really nice to see that the pressing finally paid off, and for us to get a goal off of it, and yeah, sometimes this is how it goes, but it went in our favor tonight.
Saying that you guys are creating an identity for the club. How much are you focusing on being as a really offensive identity of playing?
I think just with the players we have, it's natural for them. So we have so many good, creative, attacking players. So Jonas doing the work we put in every week with our close connections and how we build and how we want to create chances and stuff. I think that has just been like it shows, and so we kind of just let our attacking players shine. I think great.